welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this vlog, it's about rice milling in Kirinyaga County in Kenya. So, I want to show you how rice is processed until it's obtained into grain itself. From sun drying, it's all about from sun drying, then taking to the miller, to the posho mill. Before taking to the posho mill, it's always sun dried. So this is the rice that is being sun dried. So I'm sun drying it. Then from here, I'll collect it, then take to posho mill. I've arrived to the posho mill. Okay, outside the posho mill, there are always rice that is kept there outside. So if a customer wants to buy, they can check that rice, like this one that has been already been milled. Yeah, in case you're interested to buy, like this one has already been milled. Now she's putting it into a gunia. Once you get inside, there also packed rice inside the posho mill. So some people always keep them there for milling later. First, sack of rice is always placed on top of this posho mill. Same as this one, he has two posho mills in the same building. So when one is milling, the other one is still milling. After it's placed, it gets out from here, then goes this way. Now this is the machine. It gets out from here. Here you can see how it operates. Inside the posho mill, there is too much noise, such that even you can't hear what the other person is saying due to this machine operating. Miller person ensures that there is no rice left in the sack, so that's why he's removing the sack from there on top. During milling, rice is always put in these buckets. Now later it will be put into sacks or papers, whatever you want to. As for this one, it is being put in a sack because it's easier to carry since rice is too much too, so there is no need of putting up in a paper. Maybe it's for selling. A sample of how it looks like. Different prices, each weight having its own price. Atukitaka za bure utakufa bure. That's their caption. That's how rice is obtained. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share.